So this is the street corner where I almost killed us the other day in the little tricycle and the little egg. And right across the street is a cute little sorry store. So we'll come in here, get some things for our travel, some water. How do you say water again? Too big? How are you today?
It feels hot.
Yes, feels hot.
Feels hot.
It's not bad. It's hotter yesterday. Could I get Marlboro Gold, please? It's okay if we film you guys and for our YouTube channel.
For YouTube channel? Oh.
Yeah? It'll be on YouTube. So just the water and the cigarettes, please?
To get some nuts later.
Okay.
173. How much is this? 27. So you have 3 pesos?
Do you have 3 pesos?
I can't see.
Okay, the old man glasses. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Lily.
Lily. I'm Brian. That's Shireen.
Brian?
Yeah.
From what country are you, sir?
Canada.
Wow, what a nice place.
It's cold right now.
Snow.
What brings you here in the
Oops.
Hinobaan?
My brother,
Oh, there you go.
Prince, at Fanbox.
Ah, okay.
It's a Milan.
Relatives ni Prince. Oh, Prince.
Thank you very much. Salamat.
Salamat. Welcome back again.
Always.
We'll be back.
So yeah, down one of the side streets, a little Frio Cafe. I guess that means because it's air conditioned inside because the doors are closed, which is nice. And then we have other little stores that sell all kinds of stuff. That one may be closed, all kinds of chairs and stuff. Some glassware. Another little pharmacy. Oh, look at that. They have Head and Shoulders and everything in here. Huh. Well, that's nice to know. And every store has ice creams. Oh, is that a coconut thing?
Is that coconut?
Durian. Durian. Isn't that other? I want to try one of these watermelon ones. And look what else they have in here. Morning.
You don't have coconut ice cream.
Yep, they pretty much have everything you can use in here. It's a good store. There we go, another store for all kinds of stuff. Wonder if that's Christmas wrapping paper. That's a pretty big roll if it is. Oh, well, there's some wrapping paper right there. Didn't even pay attention to that. Some wrapping paper. So we'll have to wrap some gifts. And look at that nice house right there. Somebody's got some money to invest. It's a beautiful home. Oh, yeah, some face cloths. That would probably be really good to have. Some bandanas. Hey, maybe I should get a bandana. Oh, a blue one. Or a white one. Grab me that white one.
How much? 35.
The white one?
Yeah.
35.
Let's see if it's big enough though for my head. A lot of bandanas are small. Open. Oh, there's 2 there. Okie dokie. Give me a second here. Let's see if that's going to be big enough. One to keep in the bedroom and one to wipe off with while we're sitting around. Perfect. 85 pesos for 2 face cloths and a bandana. Smoking deal. 85 pesos. So she'll put that in the description, but it's probably like $1.65 Canadian. So yeah, we just walked through some stores down there. I think that might be the church that Prince Jr. goes to every day almost. And Mummy. And then look at this right here. What does that say? Pepoys. Pepoys Billiard Hall. I think I'm liking it. So we might have to go inside here and take a look. Maybe you get a cold beer in here, eh? And then right attached to it looks like a little sorry store. Yeah, it is a billiard hall. Look at that. It's cool. Oh. Hey.
Yes, sir. Hello. Come in.
I think we're gonna maybe play some pool.
Come inside. Sir, you. You want to play billiard?
Oh yeah. Sure can. Hey boys.
Where are you from, sir?
Canada.
Wow. Welcome to Hinobaan.
Thank you, thank you. What's your name?
Joy.
Joy. I'm Brian. This is my wife Shireen.
Ah, you have friends here?
Her brother.
What's the family name?
Prince.
You're the sister of
Prince.
from Pamba.
Yeah.
Ah, I saw you on the picture. When he went to the airport.
Oh yeah. No, it's really good. So, do you guys serve cold beer here?
Yes.
Yes?
Pilsen, Sunlight.
Excellent.
Like yours.
Just so yeah.
We're friends.
Everybody's friends in Hinobaan.
Yeah.
It's awesome. We love it here. Love it.
It's your first time.
Yeah. She hasn't been to the Philippines she hasn't been here since she was 14 years old.
What are you?
Long time.
You have kids?
7.
But you only told me went
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Until next month?
For 2 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. We're gonna do some traveling, Bohol, Siquijor, right?
It's hot here.
Oh yeah, but it's okay. She's having a hard time. For me, it's okay. You know what? I think we're gonna sit down.
Yeah, sit first. Prince
So I'll get the beer's really cold.
let me see.
Okay.
Pilsen or any kind?
Pilsen, please.
Let me see.
So yeah, we found a nice little pool hall here. There's 3 pool tables in there, and the place is loaded on a Sunday. So I'll have to figure out how to get on the list. Oh yeah, that's cool. Nice. See, there you go, Uncle Butch, right?
Uncle Butch.
Uncle Butch. There you go, Uncle Butch. This one's for you, San Miguel. Remember when we had these at your house in Bellingham? So yeah, I've been drinking these quite a lot here. Every night I go to the beach and I have 2. San Miguel, yeah. It's good beer, good Pilsner. So now I'll be in my element. Now I found 2 spots. The beach at like 5 o'clock so I can see the sunset because it's gorgeous. And now I found a billiard hall. Poppies.
So I guess we forgot to turn on our new microphone, so there isn't any sound in some of our clips. We basically sat at Pepoys long enough for Brian to have 4 beers and have a bite to eat. Joy, who's the owner's daughter, sat with us the whole time, and we exchanged stories and got to know one another. We will definitely be going back there quite often. Had to beat my husband because he's on his 3rd beer for breakfast, so had to order some sisig.
Sisig right here. Lovely sisig. It's very good.
Very tasty.
Very tasty. Do you want to explain what it is?
I don't know. Pork, onions, egg, with rice. Everybody makes it different.
This is really good though. And the calamansi. So the question was, almost died. So the question was, what is our favorite Filipino dish?
Yeah.
And what's yours?
I don't have a favorite.
I don't know. You keep saying sisig a lot. So mine,
Lechon kawali.
Pinse palabo. Panse palabo.
He even makes his own.
I even make my own. Not from scratch. I make mine with the packages of Mamacita. Mamacita? Yeah, and I put shrimp in it, lots of chicharron, lots of tinapa. I love it. My favorite dish, and I call it Filipino spaghetti.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's the best.
Went and picked up some towels so I can walk around and wipe off my sweat.
Yeah, and I got a bandana to wear. Haven't worn it yet because it's actually a perfect day. It's not too hot. It's a bit breezy. Nice. Van of white here. Just having a little snack because found the right spot. So the beers are going good. Great sisig. Really good. Oh, look, a dog in the Philippines. Back at Poppy's. Gonna play some pool today with my brother. I already made the break. So nothing went down? No. Choice.
You need to hit the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, that's how you guys play?
Yeah.
Okay. Nope. Trying to play all fancy. Whoa. Best shot in the world. Oh, come on. Good. So Prince and I had a good time playing some pool, had a few beers. He kicked my butt pretty good.
16 to 1.
Yeah, 16 games to 1, so pretty sad, but they play a different kind of pool out here. That took a while to get used to. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Cheers and peace out.